Cardamom, a spice renowned for its powerful and intricate flavor, plays a pivotal role in various cultures, from enhancing bread and tea in India to enriching coffee in Arab traditions. Originating from India, this spice blends a unique mix of bitter and sweet, serving not just culinary purposes, but also ancient herbal medicine and perfumery practices. In this exploration, we delve into scientific insights to spotlight 13 remarkable health benefits of cardamom, emphasizing why it deserves a spot in your diet. 1. Digestive health. Cardamom offers numerous benefits for digestive wellness, particularly for men. Due to its high fiber content, it effectively aids in relieving constipation, reducing swelling of the rectal veins, and promoting overall stomach health, including the regulation of bile and acid. Its effectiveness in promoting digestive health makes it a valuable addition to one's diet, especially for individuals seeking natural remedies for digestive discomfort. 2. Oral and throat health. Cardamom is not only a flavorful spice, but also offers numerous health benefits, including its ability to combat bad breath and promote oral hygiene. This is due to the anti-inflammatory properties of cardamom, making it ideal for individuals who smoke or experience frequent mouth and throat issues. The spice can help soothe canker sores, toothaches, and other oral discomforts, thanks to its natural antibacterial compounds. 3. Bone health. Engage in physical activity with confidence, knowing that cardamom can support bone density and health. This is due to the rich content of vitamin C and manganese in cardamom, which are crucial for preventing osteoporosis. Maintaining strong bones is essential for overall health, and the nutrients in cardamom can play a beneficial role in this aspect. 4. Diabetes management. Cardamom contains high levels of manganese, a mineral that is a strategic ally in managing diabetes by promoting better blood sugar control. Manganese plays a key role in glucose metabolism, making cardamom potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 5. Skin health. Nourish and rejuvenate your skin by tapping into the incredible power of cardamom, a spice that's not only rich in flavor, but also loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential oils. These components make cardamom an exceptionally potent ally in the fight against skin aging. It effectively combats free radical damage, which is a major culprit behind aging skin. By neutralizing these harmful particles, cardamom helps prevent the formation of wrinkles and fine lines, ensuring your skin retains its youthful elasticity. Furthermore, the essential oils found in cardamom provide deep hydration and nourishment, promoting a vibrant and youthful complexion that radiates health. Integrating cardamom into your skincare routine can transform your skin, making it look and feel revitalized and rejuvenated. 6. Anti-cancer properties. Preliminary research suggests that cardamom, a spice long cherished for its aromatic flavor, may also hold significant potential in the realm of cancer prevention. Studies have revealed that cardamom can boost the activity of specific enzymes in the body. These enzymes are known for their role in fighting off cancer cells, thereby hinting at cardamom's potential as a powerful ally in the battle against this disease. 7. Antibacterial effects. Utilize the powerful antibacterial properties of cardamom, not just for enhancing oral health, but also for effectively combating a wide range of common bacterial strains. This remarkable spice goes beyond freshening breath. It acts as a natural remedy in fighting against bacteria responsible for causing food poisoning, stomach infections, and other bacterial-related health issues. By incorporating cardamom into your daily regimen, you can harness its natural remedial properties to protect against and address various types of infections, providing a holistic approach to maintaining your health. 8. Cavity prevention. Dive deeper into the wonders of cardamom, a spice celebrated not just for its unique flavor, but also for its medicinal properties. Research has uncovered that cardamom boasts significant antibacterial qualities, making it a powerful ally against harmful mouth bacteria. These properties are particularly effective in fighting the bacteria responsible for causing cavities and tooth decay. By integrating cardamom into your daily routine, you not only embark on a journey toward better oral health, but also enjoy its refreshing and natural flavor profile. This makes cardamom an excellent natural addition to your dental care routine, potentially aiding in both the prevention and reversal of dental issues while enhancing your culinary experiences. 9. Nausea and vomiting relief. Absolutely. allow me to provide a more detailed revision. Harness the soothing and aromatic essence of cardamom to combat feelings of nausea. By integrating this spice into time-honoured Ayurvedic remedies, you can achieve prompt and effective relief. Cardamom's natural properties have been celebrated for centuries in traditional medicine for its ability to ease digestive discomforts, making it a go-to solution for those seeking natural therapeutic options. 10. Improved breathing. Cardamom, a spice known for its distinctive flavour, also possesses natural properties that significantly benefit respiratory health. Research has demonstrated that cardamom can have a positive impact on lung function and the body's ability to utilise oxygen more efficiently. This makes it a particularly valuable ingredient for individuals aiming to enhance their respiratory health. Incorporating cardamom into one's diet could therefore be a natural way to support and improve lung function, potentially aiding in better overall breathing and oxygenation of the body. 11. Detoxification. Cardamom, a spice cherished for its unique flavour, also boasts medicinal properties, including its ability to significantly improve lung function and optimise the body's use of oxygen. This makes it an invaluable addition to the diet of those seeking to enhance their respiratory health. By facilitating better oxygen utilisation, cardamom can contribute to overall respiratory well-being, making it an excellent choice for individuals aiming to boost their lung health and ensure their body operates at its best. 12. Depression alleviation. Cardamom essential oils are highly recommended for aromatherapy due to their potential benefits in managing symptoms of depression, alleviating pain, and improving the quality of sleep. When used in aromatherapy, cardamom essential oils may possess mood-lifting properties that can help alleviate feelings of sadness and hopelessness associated with depression. These oils are also known for their potential to reduce pain and promote relaxation, which may contribute to better sleep quality. 13. Muscle pain relief. Cardamom, a spice revered not only for its unique flavour but also for its medicinal properties, is particularly known for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory qualities. These properties make cardamom an excellent natural remedy for alleviating muscle pain and discomfort. By reducing inflammation, cardamom supports overall muscle health, promoting faster recovery from injuries and strain. Furthermore, its analgesic effects can help soothe pain, offering a natural alternative to synthetic pain relievers. Incorporating cardamom into one's diet or using it in topical applications can significantly contribute to a sense of relief and well-being, making it a valuable ally in maintaining muscle health and comfort. Cardamom, a spice revered for its ancient wisdom, offers a treasure trove of medicinal benefits that modern science is only beginning to fully appreciate. Known for its distinctive flavour, cardamom has been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices around the world. It boasts a wide range of health benefits, from lowering blood pressure and aiding in weight loss to offering protective effects for the liver. These benefits are attributed to its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help fend off various health issues before they become serious problems. Incorporating cardamom into your daily diet can serve as a powerful preventive measure against a spectrum of health concerns, promoting overall well-being and longevity. However, it's important to approach its use with caution. Although natural, cardamom can cause adverse effects in some individuals, especially when consumed in large quantities. Should you experience any negative reactions, it's crucial to stop consumption immediately and consult a healthcare professional for guidance. Are you convinced of cardamom's impressive health benefits? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with this remarkable spice. Share your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful health content. Stay healthy and informed, and let's explore the wonders of natural remedies together.